So 'tis the season for a lot of promotional videos and Instagram stories that are being used to tell about a business's deals and offerings and reasons why you should buy from them or shop there. And I've been noticing just a lot of folks using the built-in audio on their phones, which is okay. But if you're wanting to just up your game a little bit, help folks who are maybe listening or watching your videos be able to hear you a little better and cut through some of the noise of other stories and make your videos stand out a little bit more, just that little extra pop. Besides the visual side, you can also up your audio side of your videos. And it doesn't take a lot, and it doesn't mean you have to add a whole bunch of gear and be a professional audio nerd. Thanks, Mom. Here's a few ways you can improve the videos on your Instagram stories or anywhere your videos end up that you record with your mobile phone. Here's a video recorded with just me talking into the camera, into my phone, not using any sort of microphone, just the built-in, using the built-in microphone on the camera. An iPhone 8 in this case, but all iPhones of recent vintage would have a similar quality microphone on board. Obviously, the newer that you go on your iPhone, there'll be slight improvements to the audio as well as the video system. Okay, this is me talking into the lapel microphone now, I think. Hopefully it's working, so you can see whether this sounds better than what the standard audio recording sounded like. The only issue, or one of the issues, I guess, with using a lapel microphone, especially in this situation, in this arrangement, is the cord. So obviously I can only go so far before I would risk either damaging my phone or damaging the cord or choking somebody with the cord. This is now the lapel microphone on the other side and pointed down, as some people prefer to use it in that kind of arrangement. So just to compare audio quality and placement of the microphone, same everything else, just flipped from one side to the other. One thing you have to watch out for with a lapel mic is obviously bumping it. So if you've got it somewhere, on a shirt, on a jacket, or near someone's hands, or a beer that scratches it, that all can impact obviously the quality of the audio and give you annoying stuff to clean up or deal with in post. This is a test with the handheld microphone, so an ATR2100 microphone. I could probably have a windscreen on this if I was outside. So this microphone plugs in through a little mini USB cable, through an adapter and a dongle, which I'll show on screen later, to the iPhone. Gives you the handheld kind of microphone feel, and potentially could work better depending on what kind of video you're shooting and or recording. If you're interviewing somebody, it's kind of nice to be able to pass that off to somebody else and put it in front of their microphone. Obviously a lapel mic makes that a little more difficult to do if you just have the one. It's kind of nice in that it has on the bottom, it has a headphone jack, so you can actually plug this. I could plug headphones in, say my iPhone earphone headphones, earbuds, and be able to hear and monitor what I'm hearing right now rather than worrying about hopefully it's getting what I'm saying here and going into the phone properly. The other thing that's funny about the ATR2100 is, as you can sometimes tell, is it's got this little light on it that you could probably tape up, but just for an indicator that it's got power. That can also wreak havoc with your video. So if it was pointing like at the camera, you get some sort of Star Trek lens flare effect going on. So I hope that helps you just get a glimpse of what you could do to improve some of the audio in your videos. And if you've got questions, feel free to send me a message here on Instagram TV, wherever you happen to be watching this. Happy to answer any questions you might have. I'll also have a link where appropriate to my blog, lemonproductions.ca. You can see the links to all the stuff I talk about here in this video, so that you can check them out on Amazon or wherever you happen to buy stuff locally as well. There's plenty of local shops, at least here in Canada, that would carry all these kind of mics and gear and be able to order them in for you if they don't have them in stock, if you want to shop local as well, which is always recommended. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Happy holidays. Happy promotions. Make sure you have some eggnog. Just share the video. That's all. Just share. Share and like. Show me your social media love. That's all I ask.